Oh.
Who wants French toast? What's in your wallet?
Extra. A salted butter that mommy or unsalted butter?
And the macaroni is still hot, so it start melt right away.
When I was a kid growing up, my parents would take Thanksgiving so seriously. And now I'm a professional chef. Favorite day.
Eggs in
Way. I'm expecting a thankless Thanksgiving at Clear Town Market.
Be nice to the mortals.
I'll come down to earth for a while.
Next up, the head of a restaurant empire and one amazing chef. We love him as a Triple G guy. Yeah, Brian Malarkey.
My father used to smoke the turkey, fry the turkey, bake the turkey. Pretty much everything we could do with the turkey.
Jesus Christ. He have enough time.
There you go. There you go. That's that. Oh, there's your chef shenanigans. Eagle Malarkey. Buddy.
Very nice, simple. One utensil.
Very specific to the Lasso family is that Thanksgiving was on the day. They got
Some people use 2 eggs. See what the see what the egg do?
Mm-hmm.
Then 1 whole Canada. So shake well, so shake well.
So light on the feet.
I am thankful that all you all-stars have agreed to take part in this Thanksgiving
I cannot know what the Jamaican in me.
It's my pleasure. Let's go straight at it. Thanksgiving family meal. A dinner that really expresses the kind of Thanksgiving meal you make for your family.
Sounds great, Jeff.
I want you to express yourself. I want you to have what you want, okay? And to help you do that, I want you to play Express Lane. I'm going to let you have 13 items, and I want you to shop
This is about
anywhere in the store.
quarter back, so we don't just throw all in every whipping cream.
Not too bad, right?
Very important.
Not too bad. Well, you
From
all
the end.
competed in Flavor Town.
Hold it together.
Correct? So I have to come up with a special game just for you.
Half and half is the secret.
Half and half.
Yeah.
I never used half and half ever.
That means you will only
Regular
shop
or
for the
half and
entire
half I put in the
competition
coffee, honey.
one time. One shot for the entire competition. 13 ingredients, 2 rounds.
Can we take as much as we want each of the 13 ingredients?
You know, say we don't measure nothing, so
Measure what out.
about half cup of regular milk,
Leftovers.
vitamin D,
You guys know both games right now. Very different.
Unbelievable.
Wow. How do you want to do this? You just want to do 3, 2, 1, go? Or do you want to do
you want to make sure so you mix it up, it look juicy, like not dry.
Mm-hmm.
I have 1 shot to get 13 ingredients.
Then this is optional. I like it because it gives it like a little
That's like a real
Thanksgiving, so you want
unthankful thing to do.
to add some
Thanksgiving family meal means there's no way.
flavor
That beautiful, beautiful.
to the thing. Give it a little different flavor. 1 dab.
Mm-hmm.
both full turkey?
Oh my gosh.
Took all the turkeys.
I'm sorry. Hey, it's not Friendsgiving, and I'm not joking. So my Thanksgiving is a turkey breast, some sort of stuffing, and then you need that tart cranberry no matter what else is going on.
3/4 stick of
Thanksgiving
butter.
is not complete to me.
There's a art to the way I do my butter.
Mm-hmm.
So
Super big flavor base in there.
put it
You
in.
got your onions, you got your garlic, you got your peppers, you got cilantro, all of that.
Not only is a Thanksgiving meal requisite of a lot of
I
food,
just think a whole stick make it oily.
It does.
how to use those same things in round two should you make it that far. God, this is so hard.
So I'm going very, very simple and very straightforward. I'm doing roast turkey breast, potatoes, gravy, cranberry sauce, and a salad of fried Brussels sprout leaves. I'm making a mess.
Very important. Salt.
I think my favorite dish I love to
1
do on
teaspoon.
Thanksgiving, because Thanksgiving is a bounty of dishes, but I only have 30 minutes and 30 ingredients.
What are you doing?
And then we
Make
know
sure
the
you wash your hand.
second round is going to be
You can use it.
non-traditional after Thanksgiving
Grab a
dish.
black
So
pepper.
basically, we're like, okay, how can things be repurposed? How can things have more
Any mac and cheese don't have salt in the house, please.
really
Some reason the macaroni always, no matter how you put it with salt, when you rinse off the salt off of it, it ends up bland. So that's the reason for
I
that.
see these thighs are smoked. I've been smoking my turkey for the last few
That's
years,
it.
and it
Nothing
is
else.
fine. I'm gonna make these brown potatoes that will be fine with some butter, some cream.
You can put shrimp in here, or you can put
Lobster.
lobster tails in here. You can put, I'm telling you, maybe one time with shrimp, everybody, that was done in like 2.2 seconds.
So,
I need something to cut through all this.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna go with some.
Me that pan over there, so So the finishing is where all that's gonna go, and this, and put back this in the fridge. You can grease your pan if you want to, I don't, it's not necessary.
because you already put the butter in.
Put it back on. That's not necessary.
Turn on the TV there for me, Jabari, please. Yes.
And like you said, Jamaicans cannot cook mac and cheese.
Yes, so then claim me dear.
So I beg to differ. One Jamaican who have mastered the art. And I am proud of my mac and cheese, honey. No flanky. No fake nothing. No special art to it. I don't know how them can do it and me can do it. True, just because them can cook oxtail.
Our goat.
None of it.
And then can't make jerk turkey neither.
And bet.
I saw.
Alright. So the topping is important because you want it crust over.
Crispy.
Yeah, and crust over. I learned that from making it. I didn't just always know that. Because if not, you have an ugly looking mac and cheese. And really, you know, like nothing but ugly when you have ugly things. You know. Appealing to me. There's some good that one with that thing.
Find this out.
So, what's gonna happen when this bakes?
How long you bake it for me?
1 hour.
1 hour.
At 380 degrees. Sometimes if it's to say you need a little bit more time, you give it like 15 more minutes.
Okay.
But mac and cheese do not take more than an hour to bake. Make sure every part of this is covered. And trust me, this is nobody's recipe. You just make it up and do it anywhere. This is not Pinterest or YouTube recipe. This is someone right recipe. True trial and error, I might add. So I use this now. Like sink some of it in. Because I'm gonna grate some more cheese on top. Different flavors.
It's the Black Friday sale. Get
Taking some knuckles in here. Then I take my handy dandy shredder.
You might not. What?
Oh. Do that. I'll shred.
Socks are the #1 most requested item in homeless shelters. Underwear is #2. T-shirts are #3. That's why we make the most giftable, comfortable, socks, underwear, and T-shirts. We've donated over 50 million items so far. Made for you, made for those in need. Made to visit alot.com for some discounts.
Watch out.
Stop. This was a tough show. They called me, and I'm saying I didn't have it.
Trust me, it's not gonna be all that cheese like once it starts baking, it gradually goes into the macaroni. That's the whole objective. And then I top it off with some tiny slices of butter.
I love Brussels sprouts. There's this bitter flavor to it, especially when they're roasted. Delicious bitter flavor to it. So counter that bitter.
Along the top of it, no rhyme or no special way, just so it can spread out and melt.
We'll mix over the top. There you go. There you go.
That's it. We're ready for the oven.
Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. So your girl is in charge of the seafood like I normally am almost every Thanksgiving now. So that's what I'm about to do. This is actually my seafood recipe. Me and my mom have been exchanging recipes now. So yeah. So this is what I use to wash off the crab legs. You can use this or you can use one of those brush things. And this is why you can't eat seafood from anybody, because if you can look, the water is super dirty and murky. So you definitely need to clean your crab legs before you stick them in the pot. So mom says she wants eggs, so I'm gonna put about 10 eggs in here. The water is hot, is not really to a boil yet, so I'm just gonna 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I wash my potatoes the same way with one of these. I'm just gonna throw them in this pot because the water is bubbling and boiling. I'm gonna push them down to make sure all of it is in water. So I blended up some garlic. I like using regular minced garlic, and I also like using fresh garlic for the sauce. So I don't have any store-bought garlic, so I'm just gonna use fresh garlic. But you can use both, or I would suggest use fresh garlic more because it brings the flavor out more. I'm trying to set this thing down. I need to put on a timer for these crab legs. They come out in about 10 minutes. They've been on for about 3 minutes already. I don't like my crab legs overdone. So 8 minutes, and then we'll make the sauce. I think like that's the best part. Oh, and everything is in plastic plate because we're not washing up 50 million plates today. So yeah, for all the professional cooks out here. Oh damn, this one exploded. You can see the eggs are definitely done. One exploded, that's fine. So if you want your seafood to pop, especially your shrimp, you use this. I'm just going to dip some in the, not gonna use a lot. And then I get my oil. So this is what's left from the shrimp. I'm gonna use 2 things of salted butter. So I'm gonna use the same seasoning that I used to season the shrimp in the sauce. So I can't do this and film at the same time. So now is when you would add your onions. If you like onions, you can put onions in there. I'm not a big fan of onions. And now you would add your regular minced garlic and your fresh garlic. Don't worry, I'm gonna make sure I get all of the garlic in here because you want it to be very garlicky and buttery. So on this Thanksgiving, I'm thankful for my family and my friends and the life that I've created for my children. It's looking good. It's looking good. So today is Friday. I went live and I talked about Spice Grammy nomination. Big up to Spice for getting nominated for a Grammy. And I also talked about the girl that was allegedly kidnapped. And today I organized my mom's kitchen. I didn't get to the pantry, which is what I really wanted to get to, but overall everything is more organized, everything is more seamless. She cooks a lot, so she'll enjoy her kitchen more, and now everything has a home. I actually really like organizing stuff. It gives me so much joy. So yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog right here. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.